All right, guys, here I am. I'm trying to put in a new sink faucet. Well, faucet fixture for my kitchen sink. I took out the old one, which the old one had the two big half-inch. And in my home, which is a double wide mobile home, I've got this old style PEX. As you can see, it's pressed on, and I don't want to cut any of that pipe and have to go outside and do the water, cut the water off from there. These work totally fine. So what I did is I went to Lowe's to look for a half-inch for this. So this is what I found in case any of you were ever needing to do this. So let me get this out of here. I got some pipe tape, which this is the great kind, they said, which is good for water and natural gas. Okay, mega tape. Anyway, no one is sponsoring this video. This is all me. So here it is. This is the one that I need. See, it says it's metal adapters, 1/2 inch to 3/8 or 3/8 to 3/8, but I don't need that. I just need the 1/2 inch MIP to the 3/8 inch cup. So that's what I need. So I had about 2 of these, but that keeps me from having to cut the main water source off, which for me is directly underneath my house. And I do have one in the laundry room, but that one is always hard to turn, and I'm always afraid I'm going to break it. So just give these a try. They're made by SharkBite. There's the number. Pause the video, that way you get it. And if you need it, there's the barcode. You can screenshot that and get that barcode as well. Anyway, I hope this might help someone. I'm going to go ahead and get this sink in, so let's do that. See you guys.